The first stage of the Proton M uses 6 RD-275 engines, providing almost 2 million pounds of thrust. They will burn for about 2 minutes and 4 seconds before first stage separation occurs at an altitude of about 26 statute miles, with the Proton traveling 3,900 miles an hour. The Proton's 6 first stage engines that you see with strap-on boosters, those are actually fuel tanks, not solid rockets. They're fuel tanks. It's all hypergulls for the Proton M. They're all integrated into the first stage propulsion system. 4 second stage engines, 3 RD-210s and 1 RD-211, will ignite a second or two prior to first stage separation and will burn for about 3.5 minutes, providing 539,000 pounds of thrust. The second stage separation occurs at the 5-minute 31-second mark into the flight as the Proton reaches an altitude of 75 miles, traveling almost 10,000 miles an hour. The payload fairing that encapsulates the Nauka module will separate in a clamshell fashion 13 seconds later, just a few seconds after third stage ignition of a single RD-212 engine. That will burn for almost 4 minutes in the final stage of powered flight, creating an additional 138,000 pounds of thrust to place the multipurpose laboratory module into its preliminary orbit, with a final assist from 4 small Vernier engines that will burn for 12 additional seconds after third stage shutdown. Spacecraft separation from the third stage of the Proton is scheduled 9 minutes and 40 seconds into the flight. At that point, Nauka should be at an altitude of about 125 miles, beginning this 8-day journey, raising its altitude in a very incremental fashion to match that of the International Space Station for an automated docking 8 days from now.
Первый есть контакт подъема, снятый. Захват 10-го принял. Первый. Есть запуск двигателя первого ступени ракеты засечения. Двигатель обычный режим. Прошел контакт подъема. 10 секунд. Полет нормальный. 20 секунд. Давление в камеру сгорания. Двигатель в ноле. 30 секунд. Стабилизация ракеты-носителя устойчивая. 40
And we now have confirmation of solar array and navigational antenna deployment. All external appendages have been deployed. Nauka en route to the International Space Station.